Morning folks, Cory.Newport coming at you with Guaranty. Wanted to break out the Colorado. It's a 2018 model, 14,000 miles, super low miles. It does have the V6 in it. That's what most people are wanting right now. And this one looks like it's been very well maintained. Obviously it's an 18, but it does have a little bit of miles. Check out the interior though. Obviously you've seen the outside. It's just beautiful. It's got the bigger screen. It's got the, this one's just a loaded up model, as you can see. USB ports in the back. It's just a really, really nice vehicle. It's got backup camera back here. I would tell you the tires are great, but you know that because it's an 18. It's in great condition. Bed liner, you name it, guys. This is it. This is the truck you gotta come down and see. If you're looking for a Colorado, four-wheel drive with the V6, folks, this is it. I have it. Come see me, Cory.Newport.